the toast?
Huh?
So who burnt the toast?
The person who didn't eat it, obviously. Oh, I think it was Luis. Because I saw him holding them up, like very disappointed. But I thought he would also eat it. I traded Luis my egg for his banana today. Pretty happy with that.
Happy with that decision?
Yeah. Maybe next time I'll trade you guys like my shower time for your banana. Just jump in the pool or something.
I eat more than one banana a day. I can tell you that.
Breaking rules, aren't ya?
Is that a rule breaker?
I don't know. I just don't want someone to like.
You ready? Pero mabilisan lang. 800 no? Proven ito.
I guess tama na, hindi. Huwag tayong mag-assume kasi.
Baka mamaya hindi pa nabibili nasa labas. Tapos itong mga nasa loob.
Baka pag makita nila, parang ayaw na nila bilhin or something.
Binabalik
Nakita,
mo. Tapos
binabalik.
mag-stay lang dun sa labas.
Oo, sa labas.
Sa'yo ba yan? Or ibebenta?
Ibebenta mo. Sabi ko kahapon ako hindi nabenta. Ay, sige, ako na lang.
Alright, guys, this won't fit anyone.
Huh?
Should I cut up the sleeves? Maybe we can make it into like a vest.
Pwede.
Okay.
Yeah,
Or a bra.
small.
It's too small. It's for babies.
No, kisses will fit in that.
Just remove the sleeves para bolero.
Bra.
Pwede.
What up?
Can I see Edward?
What you doing, homie? What you doing? What
Kaya
up,
gupitin
bra?
na natin yung sleeves
What up?
din.
What you doing, homie? What you doing?
Pangit ng pagka-paint ka sa... Oh, well. 200.
Bra. Can I cut it? What up?
Yeah, I've got it.
What you doing, homie? What you doing? Is that yours?
It's for sale.
Yung sapatos, alam na sa.
Sige, barilin mo
1, 2,
na.
3, 4.
Then,
Tignan mo naman, oh. Meron sa...
never mind.
4 lang muna na patches.
You can make this into a dress na lang, oh.
Yeah.
Dress.
Cut up. I don't know. Would you girls prefer, diba? Or like,
Bulbuhol.
what's bored?
I mean, something you can... Sige. Maiksi to for a dress.
Okay. What you doing, homie?
Sleepy, I couldn't get up this morning.
Can I borrow the pencil? You need that. Sing song story. Mapasing.
Got this yung cardigan ko. Makagutik din.
Johnny Valentino.
May before ba?
Wala na yung camera.
What do you guys think? We can do it too. These are already cut.
It's hard to... You can't cut it because like the sleeve is...
One is cut, the other's not.
Para may magawa tayong madali-dali.
Dapat yung alteration na gagawin natin, mabilis na lang kasi sabi ni Kuya, hindi
Have any
tayo
ideas for
bibigyan
this?
ng mahabang oras ngayon.
Is that for guys or for girls? Yeah, it can be either.
I think unisex.
Fun yan.
Pero
Drugs.
the size may be guys. Dali.
How about we just
That's
fold that and then stitch
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do because
sleeves,
it's
cut.
originally like that.
And let's measure it. Cut your face off.
Or you wanna put?
Ano pang kailangan gawin?
Stitch it.
I don't know.
We could.
Ay,
We have
bawala.
more of that, like here.
You just cut this and cut it like that.
Mabilisan na lang. Aray ko.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Pokwang.
Sorry, mom.
What? My mom said that when she saw someone that was.
Pokwang?
Oh, no, never mind. Take the first syllable and double it.
Ay.
Ilang patch ba?
Mga 4 na patches.
It's the Did we sell the very last
The white one? No.
No.
patch? I think everybody that was buying that day already had one.
I know, right?
We
Leigh and Daya has all the collection.
She bought all of them.
Not all, but actually most of them. She bought several jackets.
Wow.
Okay, Edward.
Wow, wow. And then leave it on for you. Hey there, pretty lady.
Ano pang pwede?
Pag pinusta sa itsura, malinis.
Pwede.
Ay, ano? Pangang mapangay pinakapatahin na po.
Name has included this somehow.
Same.
Because it's a good design.
Yep.
You can just put one right here.
And most of the designs that had that was sold quickly. There you go.
The jumper that I made, Tanner wore it for about 3 minutes and then it was sold. And I just patch it on.
Pogi ah.
Ske.
Pogi.
Mas pogi.
Mas pogi si Edward.
Mas pogi pa rin.
I hate this fly. It keeps on going in my face. Hood. This one here. This one, ito on the sleeve one here. Lucky boy. Yeah. Good. Here, one here, one. Hood.
I like that.
Gawa ng patch daw.
Oh, left and right.
Muy.
Muy.
Headband.
It's muy.
Hindi ko.
Sounds like muy.
Muy palagi.
I've heard that name, I don't know.
And it's from the other network.
Well, name it then, man. You know a Korean dish called bulgogi?
Bulgogi.
Yeah, you know the show from the other network, but It Bulgogi? What is that show about? I wanted to ask, but I can't.
Sometimes show.
It's like,
Variety?
it's children.
No, definitely not like show. They have a lot of stuff going on there, and I'm not familiar that much. It's like, I think it's the longest running variety show. That's what we have.
And Maybe it's better.
Just fold this
Yeah, fold. Fold and
and
then,
then stitch.
and then
Or maybe you can use if you do the blade thing. No, do that there. Here, test it here first.
like how?
Ano, parang...
May ibang mga ano.
Wala na itong blade ko. Hindi na kaya ng blade. Stitch ba tayo ng patches ulit?
Magpa-patches pa ba tayo?
Kasi matagal din yung pagtahi nun.
Yeah, I don't think many. It's not that.
Matagal ang pagtahi, matagal papatuyo, matagal ng pagkabit.
It's not that special anymore. None. Because we've sold
Yeah,
quite a
we've sold
few.
a lot na.
It's not limited edition anymore. It's every day there's a new one, and we said yesterday it's the very last. So.
Ganito lang. Tupit pa natin. Pangatlo.
Pwedeng ano, sige, tupi mo muna yung kabit ng gano'n. Tapos sukat para makita natin kung gaano kahaba.
Tahi, ito, ganyan.
I'll clean this lang.
Dalawa yung mga nahibig.
Tatagalan tayo sa patch eh. Paka-half day lang tayo ngayon. Kasi for sure sa ano, sa video naman.
Bibenta pa natin kasi.
Mas magbibenta na. So iniisip namin yung mabilisan na lang na alteration like cut tapos tupi, tanggal ang sleeve.
I'm sacrificing my raise, and I know
Kasi
that one
ta-
though. It's smooth though. It's smooth though.
Mabilisan.
Pag ano lang natin yung laki.
Mas mahaba yung
Were you able to do it? Does it work?
It's getting there, but it's, yeah, I think I can do it. Yeah, it's alright.
What do you think about this? If you like stitching.
Onto just the sleeves. You just put the whole sleeves, make it
Patch it up
patch up the whole sleeves.
one side. Like I mean just the front.
Yeah, this and that.
Is the color worth?
I think so. Black goes with a lot of things. Parang yun, ano, iba yung ano may ganun pa.
What do you think? Yung
Yun. Star, yung mga star. It's like gonna work. Oh, I actually don't think it's gonna work. I mean, it's getting there, but if it looks too good, I don't know. dito.
You want to do it? I do it. Stop this.
Yeah, I think it's what we're gonna get out of that.
Bitin ko na to.
Tama na.
Finish it, Sammy.
Pantay mo na lang yung...
Excuse me, please. Can you please move over?
Yeah. Doesn't look like it anyway.
Where are the others?
And so, I'll sew it in first. Yeah. I mean, I will sew it. What's sew in Tagalog?
Tahi.
Tahi. I will tahi. The black string. Black. Maybe black. No? No more. No more. No black. Tapos na. Double check. Guys, is there any more black string?
You feel
Black
so.
thread? May mo. Sayang.
Hate me, hitting me.
Ah, here we go. Joke lang yan, joke lang. Block. Okay lang, joke. Joke. Block. Maliit yun. Oh, joke. Wait, maliit. Okay lang. Okay lang. Yeah. Both sides. Ah, two sides? Okay. You try first.
Ha? Naabutin tayo na matagal pag-patches. Yung 5 na lang na natitira dito, yun lang ang gagalawin natin.
Ano maganda, Kuya Luis? Lahat ng tie o both sides? Only two sides. So it looks loose.
Yeah.
Both sides. So actually, dahil lang... Saan ba? Buwan na rin ang parang. Feel like...
And then, tweak yung alteration daw as much as possible kung kaya natin gawin ng 2 hours. 2 hours na natin gawin kasi sasarado rin po itong activity area and then kung gusto pa natin magtinda, lahat lang tayo dito sa labas. Pero ito isasara niya.
What was that?
Ano tayong isa, ano na lang yan, itangkan yan.
Tatayin na lang. Tayin na natin agad to.
Dito, tayin nyo lang to.
Hindi, yung isa.
Ito.
Atayin ko na yung isa.
Ito, wait lang. Ang paraan nito. Lagyan lang natin yung design nito.
Nasaan yung iba?
Design.
Alin iba?
Nasaan yung iba?
Nasa loob pa si
Alis.
Will, si Tia Cora, si...
Lagyan lang natin yung design.
Ano natin, manpower.
Eh? For what?
Ito yun. Oh!
Ah! That was a deep one. Yung Kuya Luis. Yung ano mo dito? Kuya Luis.
Yeah, I knew
Felix.
that was coming.
Ha?
Anong ba nang dito? Ang gawin natin dito?
Jerome? What?
Magbenta. So,
29 natin? What did Jerome just say to everyone?
We have
Or back.
2
Cut
hours
lang.
left before the closing of the activity room.
And then no more.
Then we will sell it already.
Okay. Sige, and then pagkatapos, Maganda naman pag tapos na.
Oo, ito lang. Listen.
Or baka pwedeng tas-tasin na lang natin para
Oo, tas-tas.
tapos patuloy.
Hey,
What time
you
is it?
come in my bed. Done vomit
Lagyan natin
again.
sila.
How do you say?
It's already a vomit.
Anong oras na?
How many times you're doing?
Yung Kuya Luis. Ay, Kuya Jerome. Kung alis nila lang ito.
Pagkatapos?
No? Maganda. Hintayin na ano.
Sama-sama ng
Laki.
tingin ni Maymay.
Moy-moy yan.
Moy-moy yan ngayon.
Nah, I like Boninoy better.
May, wala na, hindi na tayo magpa-patch daw. Kasi matagal. 2 hours lang binigay ni Kuya.
It will take that long just to dry.
Hindi, 2 hours lang yung alteration. Tapos the rest, pagtinda na, tas kasi isasara ni Kuya daw tong activity area. I cut out already.
Sampung mga dali, kamay apa.
Yung tingin natin, ganina yung maganda.
You made my day.
Oh, so when I said it's, sige.
Ano?
Sabi niya, pagka siya daw nagsasabi,
Hindi, you didn't, hindi ka naman nagsasabi ng gayon sa akin. You didn't
Araw-araw
say
I
it.
say it.
No, you do not.
I do not.
You don't.
I do not.
You
I
don't.
dunking donut.
You do not naman
I
inge.
do. You just don't listen.
Mhm.
Ala ka. She's laughing.
Ha?
Hindi, wala na. You, me.
Grabe siya, oh.
grabe siya, oh.
Ah! Dugo
Karma.
agad.
Karma.
No, it's not
Karma. Karma.
Tumugo?
Hindi, ayos lang ang harga kaunti.
Ayos na pare.
Uy, matigas naman.
Matigas naman.
Patay na. Matigas, pare.
Matigas pare. I understood that. So why you laughing, pare?
No, I'm not laughing. I'm
Why
just...
You look so long with your outfit, like longer.
Yeah.
Okay,
I guess it's
excuse
at
me.
this
Let's
time.
move a little bit so I can lay down.
Hey, we said longer, not graceful.
Hmm? She looks longer because of her top. Diba?
Yes.
This guy looks like the modern Indiana Jones, man.
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks fancy as heck.
Later I'll shave it too. Kuya doesn't want facial hair.
Yeah. That's good though. No.
Oh, iba na yung suot mo.
I know, right? She changed.
Ubos na?
Hindi, akala ko wala na yung partner no, yung
Ay, meron pa ako last month. Buti na lang dumating yun. Buti yung nagsaot ko.
3-day streak.
Bra ko pa ulit-ulit, tapos din ako nagpanty.
Bra lang naman yun, okay lang yun.
Eh, ang panty din ako nagpapanty.
Bakit mo sinasabi?
Tapos na eh, hindi na, may panty na. Pag tapos na, pwede na. Throwback na yun.
Thank you.
Group 2, Cora, we're group 2. Lewis, group 2. We're group 1. Lewis. Yeah, I said that a lot already. Matigas.
Just gonna go to the bathroom. Share lang ako, Jerome. Anong plan? Tayo?
Ano na, ito ng limang alter. Yun na yung last.
Thank you. Ano ba?
Yeah, kasi yung gold ka bukas.
Baliktad pala.
Yeah. Lagyan mo stud. Na gold.
What are studs?
Share lang ako.
It's so hard.
Enjoy lang yung mga
Difficult.
That's what she said.
Ayan. Ano? Ano? Sabi mo, Edward?
Hindi ko alam.
That's what she said. Sinong she? Sinong she?
Ikaw.
Eh, why you said she?
Because you're a she, alright?
Alright, but you are talking to me, alright?
Alright?
Can't understand him.
Doesn't
I'm trying
understand
my
me.
best.
She can't understand me.
No, you can't understand me.
You think you understand
You are
me,
having
don't
nosebleed, huh?
Yeah, and I am so difficult.
She's so hard to work with.
Grabe ka, oh.
She's unprofessional. She can't do the whole. She can't say her lines.
No, you are not the professional. Ano? You are...
Ano ba?
No, tama
Mali!
na. Mali! Gulo mo.
Sira ang ulo mo.
Magulo ka.
Matigas ang ulo mo.
Matigas ang ulo. Hindi kaya. Ikaw, matigas ang ulo mo.
Sira ang ulo ko. Oh. Boom! Patay na. Boom! Patay na, patay na, patay na, patay na. Sorry. Ilong ng mga tanda.
Ito ang ganda niya.
Ha?
Besh.
Ginagawa.
What?
Ang ginagawa mo, wala akong mata.
Well, if you want, you can look for a stature. Ay, pwede kong gamitin.
Hinahanap mo, hinahanap mo. Wala, joke lang.
Wait. Ayun, yes. Ay, isa lang, iba pa. Okay lang ba yun? Munta nga ba?
Oh, yeah. It was my
Ali
signature.
girl. Sa'yo yung libro
I'm just kidding.
My Beauty Queen. Kanina yun?
Your face when I said that. Oh,
Meron
I'm
nga
sorry.
mamaya.
What's this?
Kanyari. Gusto ko. Tas maano. Ayaw dumugo. Hanggang muscle.
What's this bagay?
Bagay sa'yo.
Ay, pang cross stitch. Diyos ko, Lord. Ah.
So rip, so rip, so rip, rip, so rip, so rip, so rip.
Oo nga, pala.
Ha?
Isipin mo na lang, in-injection ka. Kaya mo yan.
Pagkagising sa umaga, lang ang kita.
Yung maganda yung kay ano, ito, yung kay
Yung may maganda sa kanina yun.
Yung kay Aura yung maganda yan. Gusto ko yung ginagawa ko.
Huwag ka nga.
Magkaiba lang yung stud.
May beautiful.
Nandiyan pa ba yung pants na may stud na isa?
Nabili na yun?
Yun nga eh, ako kulang din eh. Paas.
Paas.
Hintay ko din nila lahat, pero hindi ko tulog.
You know what paasa means?
Yeah. Eh, close ko lang yung mata.
But don't, just don't. I didn't know what else to say. What's liar?
Sinungaling.
What is it really?
Yeah.
I was doing it on purpose. Ay, no. What's Sinaja? That's it.
Doing it on purpose.
Yung nilagay mo? Ay, hindi.
So, if
Go.
I say Panina's a liar, sinungaling?
5 lang daw eh.
Or what's liar?
Ano ko daw? Suotin ko daw.
Ako nagputos tayo Panina. Aki snip.
No, sakto ba eh?
Salami.
Okay, snip.
You like my gunting?